been repairing shoes for?
What?
How long have you been repairing shoes?
Different time.
Wow. Look at this, man, Edward. Are these ones you repaired already?
Yeah.
Wow. And then these ones are to do. Wow. Check out Edward. Look, he's repaired that shoe. That's what's up. Yeah, Edward Shoe Shine. If anyone comes to Manila that needs their shoes sorted, I'll tell them about you, okay? Yeah. He fixed your ones? That's cool. Alright, thank you, Edward. So Edward right there. Bye-bye. Edward right there was fixing shoes. Yeah, man. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, look at this. Cool, cool.